Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
To demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150, you will guys have two fuse boxes on this Ford F-150. One will be located under the hood right above the radiator fan, but we don't need this one. We need to find the one that's inside the vehicle for the body control module. And we're talking about the fuse box that's located right here on the right side in the passenger compartment under the glove box on the right kick panel. You remove that plastic, you open it, and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like this one. Okay, and by taking a picture and zooming in, we can clearly show you where the fuses are, because otherwise it's almost impossible to get the camera in there. Before we explain which fuse you need to check, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses relays so you don't waste your time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
The fuse, guys, that you will need to check specifically, if you come in that left row right here and start from the top, you go to the bottom, you'll go fuse. If you have a missing space, you still count the spot, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 9th fuse, that 10th fuse next to the relay right here, that's the one for the navigation screen right here that you need to check in the navigation. So that fuse will need to be checked.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.